Hi everyone. First, I discuss with you a definition. Saturated. A subset S of X is said to saturated with respect to the decomposition D if P inverse P of S equal to S. Equivalently, S is saturated if there exists a subfamily C of D such that S equal to union of C belongs to C. Here the definition of saturated. uh, S be the subset of X, and if subset S is said to be saturated if P inverse P of S equal to S. Equivalently, S is saturated if there exists a subfamily C of D such that S equal to union of C. Next is a proposition. The quotient map P from X to D is closed if and only if for any D belongs to script D and any open set G in X containing D, there exists a saturated open set H H such that D subset of H subset of G. uh, Here a if and only if statement. First, that here says that a quotient map is closed if and then for any D belongs to D and a set G, then there exists a open set G such that D subset of H subset of G. Proof. First we assume P is closed. Then we want to prove the statement D subset of H subset of G. So P is closed. Let D belongs to D and G be any open subset of X. D subset of G. Let K equal to P inverse P of X minus G and H equal to X minus K. Since X minus G is closed and P inverse closed map, so P of X minus G is closed. Since P is continuous, so P inverse P of X minus G equal to K is closed. H equal to X minus K is open from the above definition of K. Clearly, K is saturated and hence continuous. Also, H is saturated, that is complement of K. Hence, P inverse P of X minus G contains X minus G since K greater than G. Therefore, K contains X minus G, which implies H equal to X minus K contains G, which implies H subset of G. Hence, it remains only to prove that H contains H. Let H belongs to D. D contains G implies D subset of G implies X belongs to G. Now P of X equal to D, which does not belongs to P of X minus D. P of does not belongs to P of X minus G, which implies X does not belongs to K, which implies X belongs to X minus K. So X belongs to H implies D subset of H. Here we prove the first condition. Then we want to prove the second condition, that is the converse part. Conversely, we assume that the given condition hold and suppose C is closed subset of X. To prove that P is closed, it is enough to show that P of C is closed in D. Since P is a quotient map, the P of C is closed in D if P inverse P of C is closed in X. Since P inverse P of C is saturated, so let V equal to X minus P inverse P of C. We prove that V is open, so P inverse P of C is closed. As V is saturated, it is the union of some members of D which are disjoint from C. Hence, V is saturated and does not intersect C. Hence, uh, C does not intersect. Now let X be any point in V. Then X belongs to a unique member of D, say member of script D, say D. As V is the union of some members of D and X belongs to V, we must have D subset of V as C contain P inverse P of C, implies that X minus C contains X minus P inverse of P of C, which implies X minus C contains V. Then D subset of X minus C, which is open, which implies D subset of V subset of X minus C. There exists a saturated open set H. Hence, we have D contains H, D subset of H minus C. Hence, H is the union of some members of D intersect C, but V is the union of all members of D that don't intersect C. So, H subset of V. Hence, we have D subset of H subset of V. Hence the proof. So, we prove if and only condition that a quotient map X to D is closed, then if and only if for any D G there exists a saturated open set H, then the condition that D subset of H subset of G. Hence the proof. Thank you.